Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will see in this video, what is soft starter and where is it used? Soft starter is a type of circuit that is used to limit inrush current when turning on heavy transformer, and to also avoid gradual damage to components, and avoid blowing fuses, or tripping circuit breakers. This is top silk side of board. Here you have to connect to 120 volt AC, phase, neutral. And here is to connect the transformer. This LED indicate that relay is on. Instead of this for resistor, you can use 47 ohm 20 watt resistor. Mount the resistor on board as shown in image. This is bottom side of PCB. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification.